Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. What is the future of Android Auto and CarPlay and built-in infotainment systems in cars? I've been a long proponent of saying it all should just be based on your cell phone. Just give me a screen and let it mimic my cell phone. Is that a good idea? I don't know, but I have a device and I'm gonna test that out. Let's go. So going back to the late 90s, I was putting computers in cars to have PlayStation and everything in vehicles. Early 2000s, manufacturers came out with their own infotainment screens, like in this 2007 Land Rover, heavily dated now. So to upgrade that screen, I put another screen in to give me Android Auto. This is a 2022 Ford Maverick XL Hybrid, and it has the Ford infotainment screen, of course, and then it has Android Auto, and Android Auto gives you specific apps and whatnot, and that's an absolutely superior solution in my opinion. Apple CarPlay is very similar as well. But are we gonna get to a point, frankly, where your cell phone is the screen? It does absolutely everything without a dependency on Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or even any infotainment components in the vehicle. I mean, the reality is we all have a computer in our pocket pretty much the entire day, minus when we're sleeping or in a pool or something like that. So wouldn't it make sense that this is just the infotainment and I just mirror my screen to a screen in the vehicle and I have everything I need? Maybe. This is the device, the Ottocast Mirror Touch. This little gizmo is gonna do just that, seamlessly take my cell phone and show it on the screen. But is it really seamless and does it really work? Now there's some clear benefits to doing this. One, anything on my phone doesn't have to have an app on Android Auto for it to function. Meaning you could theoretically watch YouTube videos very easily. You can see I've done that with another Ottocast device, but there was a little bit of latency over time, and this I hope clears that up. It also basically means that if I have an app that is not part of Android Auto, some specialty driving app like a driving app for this RV to make sure I don't go under any bridges that I shouldn't go under, it would just seamlessly show up on the Ford Maverick screen or even on this, the 2022 Travado Winnebago. Let's unpackage this and see what's in the box, and I'm going to show you how to hook it up and give you my opinion. And maybe that is the future. Maybe the future truly is going to be we went to Android Auto, we went to CarPlay, and now it's just going to be a screen to mirror your phone without anything on it. Or where driving standards and safety prohibit that. Who am I to decide? What I am going to decide is this worth it? Let's go. Okay, let's get the Ottocast unboxed. This is going to give me wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, which I already have by way of other devices, but I pulled all of those out of this truck and we're just gonna use these. I'm really excited to see if it truly does just mirror my cell phone and give me that functionality as though advertising it will. It comes with the instruction manual. Converts it to wireless. It will mirror your iOS or Android device. Instructions to basically plug it in. Blue light means it's on. Install it. We're going to do that whole install. If you have an older USB port, I guess, on your phone, they give you this adapter. And then you have the device. So this is all you're going to need to actually make this bad boy work. This is going to go into my cell phone. This is going to go into the vehicle. Okay, so the first step on the Ford Maverick, I do have a standard USB-A port, but I want to use the C port because I'm using the A to charge a camera. So I am going to use this adapter. So right away it popped up. So click continue, click agree. That USB hub warning was because I do have a USB hub installed. Don't worry about that. So I am English, next. And then you can say I want to do Android mirror. That is what I want to do. I want to mirror my Android. Scan the code. So I'm going to open up my Android here. And I'm going to scan the code. I'm scanning it. And yeah, it works just fine. So no issues at all. So I'll click back. I'm gonna go ahead and plug my cell phone in. Mirror external display. Yes. So let's see what happens here. If the screen goes black or the video can't go full screen, please tap the icon in the bottom right corner. Okay. It's that easy. What? This is impressive. And there's absolutely no latency. So is this really how it's gonna work? I can basically go here and I can say, take me to, I don't know, the antique store, directions, flip my phone that way. Let's go back to the antique store. So I don't remember if it's supposed to be playing audio now or what, but what I can do is I can go into Pandora and I can play. Yeah.
You're back online. You're on the fastest route.
So it plays the audio
by 5:01 p.m.
perfectly. Like, check this out. I'm gonna put my window up. Check this out here.
Craigslist, and a bunch of other sites trying to find a handful of Land Rovers that interest me or folks that I know.
How awesome is this? Seriously.
Curate really good Land Rovers that are listed for sale and even give you
I mean, there's no latency, nothing at all. It just works.
All you got to do is go to marketplace.jamzDOTnet.
Wow.
You're going to see various different Land Rovers that I've selected to be on this website.
Everything
based
on your cell phone is just going to show. It's that easy to set up. So then let's see what happens. If I go back here, you can see that it's going to give you just the screen of the device. If you go to CarPlay, this is where you can connect remotely. So you could have this remotely connecting to CarPlay if you choose to do that. But then you can go back to Android Mirror, click next, and it's just right there for you. I mean, this is pretty dang amazing. Let's watch the security. That's what's happening at the building right now. My security camera just pops right up. Or you can just browse the web if that's what you want to do. And then you can control it, you know, from your finger. Oh, look, there's a new G-Wagon video. Let's watch it. This just has some great functionality. I mean, at the end of the day, this would be really handy, you know, if you got kids in the car and you want to park and throw up a video. I mean, imagine if I had a really big screen in this car. You know, this is a small screen, but if you have like a Tesla or something, you know, or whatever, with one of the new Rams with these massive screens, it's going to be like you have a TV in your vehicle. You don't have to do any configuration. Every app, everything you have on your phone is just going to absolutely work. Well, this is what I wanted to show you. And ultimately, what I can say is this install was an absolute breeze. I mean, it does not get any easier than that. So, I mean, if you're looking for that functionality your cell phone in seconds can be displayed. Everything on your phone will show on the screen. Absolutely no issues. Videos, podcast, web browsing, Facebook, anything you want. So if you drive a lot like me, or if you're waiting in parking lots a lot, I mean, frequently I am, and you have a big screen in your car, you can blast it up there and mirror it. If there's apps on your phone that you're using that just are not available for whatever reason in Android Auto, you just solved for it. So this is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. This is the Ottocast Mirror Touch, and you saw just how easy it was to do. I like it, and it's significantly better than the way I was doing it before, which I noticed latency. Nothing here. Have a great day. Give me a subscribe. It means a lot. Thanks for watching.